Hi, this is Satish from SVN Conventions. We were looking for some signboards. That was when I bumped into SSBSPL Solutions Limited, and they have done a fabulous job. They've given me two animations of two types. One with liquid acrylic display, which has 50 different animations. You can see one of that animation. You can control all 50 with a remote. This is a different one. This is another. So there's 50 different ones, and the second one is reverse backlighting with gold shade, and they have delivered on time, and they have done a fabulous job. All good, and thumbs up to them.